Welcome! Today, we're diving into a handy feature in Gmail that lets you keep your conversations private by hiding them. If you're looking to declutter your chat list or simply want to keep a sensitive conversation under wraps, you're in the right place. Let's jump into the updated steps for hiding conversations on the Gmail app. First up, open your Gmail app and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the chat feature. Look towards the bottom of your screen for the chat icon. This is where all your active conversations live. Now that you're inside the chat section, scroll through your conversations to find the one you'd like to hide. Once you've spotted it, simply long press on that conversation. This will bring up a menu with several options. Finally, tap on Hide Conversation. And just like that, your selected chat is now hidden from your view. It's a simple process, but it's incredibly effective for maintaining your privacy. Remember, hiding a conversation doesn't delete it. You can still access it later by searching for it in the Gmail app. This way, you can keep your conversations tidy while still retaining access to the information you might need in the future. That's it for today. Hiding your conversations on Gmail is a quick and useful trick to manage your chats more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great tips. Happy chatting, and see you in the next video.